Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to make your LinkedIn profile ATS friendly in 2026. So many people don't get noticed by recruiters, and it's often because their profile isn't optimized for applicant tracking systems. First, keywords are key. ATS scans profiles for specific job-related keywords, so make sure your headline, summary, and experience include relevant skills and titles. Don't overstuff keywords, just use them naturally. Next, structure your experience properly. Recruiters and ATS both read bullet points with measurable results. Use numbers or percentages wherever possible, like increased sales by 25% in 6 months, which helps your profile stand out. Also, complete every section. An ATS-friendly profile is 100% filled out. Headline, summary, work experience, education, skills, certifications. Missing sections can reduce your visibility. Skills and endorsements are important too. List key skills that match your target roles and get endorsements. Um, these help both ATS and recruiters quickly match you with job descriptions. Finally, avoid images or media in sections that ATS reads. Keep the text readable and structured. Um, also, keep your profile updated regularly as ATS gives preference to active candidates. So yeah, optimize keywords, structure experience, complete sections, and focus on skills. With these steps, your LinkedIn profile will be more visible and ATS friendly in 2026. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.